Yeah, good day, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. This is the same brother, Ion Business Consultant. As we said, we want to bring progress, development, and growth in Africa. As we said, in Igbo language, we have Akaraka. An Akaraka is a destiny. If you want to rule your destiny, we are here for you. Life is yours. Tell me your friends, I will tell you who you are. Our people today have a lot of problems. Number one is a progress problem. They are not progressive. They are not successful. They are not productive. All these things are human problems. That is why we are here. Our own is to solve problems. We are here to solve problems. In Igbo land, there is no organization. That is what you see as a problem. Not because you say it's my village person, it's my family, it's my brother. That doesn't mean you have to organize. No. For you to be organized, you must organize. That means it is incorporation. Incorporate. To incorporate the society. That is why you see this movement of organization everywhere in the world. They use something like ceremonies, festivals to organize people. Our land, we don't have festivals, no activity, nothing. So how do you bring people together? Life is emotion. So for there to be unity, there must be emotion, controlled emotion. If you don't control the emotion, it will turn opposite. So as we said, if you are a human being, you must understand your destiny. It's not that about trading. For you to trade, you must understand trade. If not, at the end of the day, everything will disappear. Just like candle wax, everything will disappear. For you to trade, you must have a foundation, which we call your symbol. You must have your logo. You must, which is your trademark. You must have your brand, which is your product. You must have your label, which is your service. These things is sacrosanct. You can't do business without them. Because the reason you do business, Igbo say wabahia. Here is a marketplace, as I said. Tradition is trade. For there to be unity, there must be trade, because the unity you see is anchored on trade union. So for there to be unity, there must be trade. If that trade, there won't be unity. So in Igbo land, we must understand this thing. That is why we are here, to bring this thing. Organizational structure. That is why we have Igbo Heritage Foundation, to organize our people to focus in one direction. A young business consultant is about bringing self-reliance in Igbo land. This self-reliance is about training our youth and focus them in direction. Akaraka. That is why we say ebe onye obi onye dị ka akụ ya na-adị. Ebe aka onye dị ka obi ya na-adị. So our people must understand, if you don't have money, then you will go to Igbo Heritage Foundation to do community service. At the end of the day, we will settle you. If you have money, we will guide you, give you a start-up business plan, which we call business blueprint, to guide you so that you can start doing well. Then we will incorporate you into the trade union. It's as simple as ABCD. So if you want direction, if you have been doing business and it's not working, now this is the solution. Solution for we are here for that.